Hello friends, I am architect Sonu Rai from Green Landscape and Architectural Design Studio, Glad Studio, and today I am here with another video tutorial in Revit architecture, and today I am going to tell you about tips and tricks how we will model a swimming pool in Revit and then render it with the help of Lumion software. So without wasting time, I am going to create a swimming pool for this, and now we will need the floor command from our ribbon panel. So I'm going to select this floor architectural, and we'll select this floor generic 12-inch, and I'm going to edit this. I will need to create a base for swimming pool, and I'm going to make a curve shape of swimming pool. So I'm going to select this floor material 12-inch, and I'm going to this setting, and we will need to create a duplicate every time we are creating any type of floor, walls, ceilings, windows. So I'm going to rename this as a swimming pool material. I'm going to OK, edit, and now I'm going to this structure by I'm going to change the material. We'll select some swimming pool material. I'm going to create a new material. We can rename this as pool material, and I'm going to select this asset browser, and I'm going to select this in a square mosaic blue, and we'll double click this, and I'm going to apply this. Okay. So I'm going to first create a shape of swimming pool. What kind of shape you are going to make? You can take a rectangular, a square, curve, any shape. Also I'm going to create a nice interesting shape, curve shape. So I'm going to make a circular here, and I'm going to make this as 40 feet. I'm going to create another circle here, and I'm going to make this as 25 feet, and now I'm going to select this arc, and you can make a shape. First we need to make a shape of swimming pool, and I'm going to draw this from here. You can create a mirror also. So this is our shape of swimming pool, and we need to split this circle and then trim this off. So I'm going to select this split element here, SL. You can select this, and you can make a split here and split here, and now we will trim this easily. So I'm going to select this trim extend. I'm going to trim this off, and this trim. So we need to trim this. So we have trimmed this. Now we need, this is our shape of swimming pool, and I'm going to finish this. And if you'll go to this view, this is our shape of swimming pool. So we have to do more settings. So I am going to make a slope for swimming pool. So I am going to select this floor. I am going to again edit boundary, and we'll go to our level 1, and now I am going to select this slope arrow. So this is for creating slope in floor or any swimming pool or any wall, floor, or so I'm going to draw slope arrow from this end to this end. And now we'll go to properties of this arrow, and here it is written height at tail. So this is tail and this is height. So we need to create a slope for swimming pool. So I am going to give this height offset as -3 feet. So we are going downwards for swimming pool, and level at head we will take -6 feet. This is actually we are creating swimming pool floor, so we need to give negative values here. And after this you can finish this, and now we can check into 3D view. And if you go to, you can see this 3D view. There is slope is created -3 feet and -6 feet. So we have created slope for swimming pool. You can also go to your elevation view and you can check this slope. So we have created by height at tail and height at head. So I am going to level 1, and now we are required to create a wall around here of 3 feet height, and then I will tell you how we will going to use that wall for creating a bottom of swimming pool surface around here. So first we need to create a wall around this swimming pool. So I'm going to architecture wall tab, and I'm going to wall architectural, and I'm going to select this basic wall 8 inch. Can go to edit type, and you can rename this, and you can make it at pool surface, anything you can rename this. And I'm going to structure edit, and we can provide this material also as a pool material. Okay, and okay. So after this I am going to give this height as 3 feet, unconnected height 3 feet, apply. And I'm going to select this as finish face interior, and I'm going to use these peak lines. So we'll pick these floor lines to create our walls around here, and that is wall height is 3 feet. I'm going to click here. You have to make sure that the wall should come inside, should not fall like outside. So this is a wall around 3 feet height. We'll go and check it in 3D view. So you can see we have created a wall 3 feet height. So I'm going to use a control tab here, only tab command, and you can select all wall here. And now I'm going to give a negative value offset command here, base offset. So I'm going to give this -3 feet here, apply. And now you can see wall has disappeared from our plan view. We'll go and check in 3D view. So you can see it has gone little below the surface of swimming pool, but this is not attached to this floor. So we have to again select this wall with tab command. We can select this whole wall surface here, and now I'm going to attach with this swimming pool. So we have to select here attach top base, and you have to select there here base. And now I'm going to select the base of the swimming pool, and you can see it has easily nicely attached to our pool surface. So we have created a surface around here, and now the shape of swimming pool is ready. Now we need to create a water here around swimming pool, so that also we can create with help of floor. And now I'm going to select this floor architectural, and you can select anywhere. I'm going to select this pool material only. I'm going to edit type, duplicate, and you have to rename this as water pool. So we'll go to a structure edit, and now can create a water material here. I'm going to create a new material, asset browser. You will search for water here in asset browser, and now this there is some water material is here, and you can select any of this. So I'm going to select this tropical blue only, and this is for generic CUCN. I'm going to click this, and I'm going to select this swimming pool, and I'm going to apply. Okay, and we'll change the thickness. We'll make it as 1 inch. Okay. So now we can create our swimming pool material here. I'm going to use this pick lines, and I'm going to select these walls, pool surface, so we can create a swimming pool. And I'm going to give this height offset -6 inch. So water should be little below. So I'm going to check this in 3D view, and you can see water material is created, but this is not visible in 3D view. This is transparent. So if you click this render button here, and you can check whether we have created pool water material here or not. I'm going to render this. I can see this is draft view. So water material is created, but it is transparent, so it is not visible. So with the help of rendering, you can check the material is transparent, that's why it is not visible. But if you render, the water material is visible, which is -6 inch below the top level. So now again we need to create a surface around here. So we need to create some deck or any shape. So I'm going to again use this floor architectural, and I am going to make it 0, edit type, and we'll make a deck material here. I am going to make a deck material. Okay, edit, and I'm going to default new material, create a new material, and can rename it from here, deck. And you can go to your asset browser. I'm going to select this as wood floor, wooden floor. You can make, can search for wooden floor, and you can select any of this. I'm going to select. Okay, so now I'm going to give this offset. So I'm going to give this as 4 feet around, and I'm going to use this pick lines set as 4 feet from here, and I'm going to select these floors, create offset here also. So offset of 4 feet. So now we have created offset around. So our material will be visible. We'll go into in 3D view, and you can see our floor deck material is created. So now we are all set. You can check in your rendering. I'm going to turn this sun path on. I will make another video tutorial on this, and can turn this shadow also on. And now I'm going to render this, and I'm going to make this as medium. So rendering time will increase. If you make it high, it will be it will take more time. So I'm going for medium just to check, and now I'm going to hit this render. Now we will check our swimming pool in draft or medium rendering view. The image quality will be not good, but we will render it beautifully in Lumion. So you can see the swimming pool is created modeling and in Revit, and now we will render it with the help of Lumion software. So this is almost ready, and now I'm going to turn this off. We will export this to Lumion here. I'm going to export and save it as, I'm going to save it as swimming pool, and we'll save it as collada file.dai. And now I'm going to open Lumion, and then we'll see how the image quality is there in Lumion. Friends, now I have opened Lumion, and now I am going to import my Revit model into this. So I'm going to select this import new model, and I'm going to download swimming pool Colada file, and I'm going to open this and can rename this. Already I have worked on swimming pool here, and so I'm going to rename this as 1-2, and now we will import, and now we'll place our swimming pool here. And you can see the depth is not visible because this is a flat surface, so we need to create a depth around our pool. So we have to can use Q to make an adjustment here. And now we'll go to our this landscape, and we'll lower the height of this flat surface. We will select this mountain like things for height adjustment. This is to make a raise in this ground surface, and this is to lower the surface. So I'm going to select this lower the surface, and this is the brush adjustment here. Can reduce the brush size or you can increase also. So we'll make it medium only, and I'm going to click this here, and you can see the height is getting adjusted, and we are ready to view our pool. So now our swimming pool is ready with the depth, and we'll go to our material, and we'll select this water material, and we'll make some more realistic material from Lumion, and we'll go to this outdoor, and we'll go to this new material, and we'll select this outdoor material, this custom materials, various. We'll go to this various, and now we'll select this water, and this is pool water. This is also blue ocean, calm pond, calm blue, clear pool. So I'm going to select this clear pool, and we'll change this material to clear pool. We can make adjustment here like wave, and can glossiness you can increase or decrease, and wave scale also you can increase or decrease from Lumion. So I'm going to finish this, and now we'll change this material also, and I'm going to this outdoor, and we'll select the stone, and you can change this to any sidewalk or material of your choice. So this pool is almost ready, so we are going to place some trees around this. So I'm going to my nature. I will select trees. I'm going to select palm tree, so we can place palm tree here around. Can place some other also palm tree, and you can select this. We'll place around. This is just to understand how we'll model it in Revit and render it with the help of Lumion, enhance our swimming pool. So we are almost ready. Our pool is ready, and we'll go to we'll now render it. and we'll go to this photo and we'll go to our realistic view. We'll make detailed tutorials on Lumion, how we'll make realistic, and you can preview this our pool. And now we'll render this, and I'm going to take this print. You can desktop volume will be in the lower resolution and print will be in the higher resolution, so I'm going to select print and I'm going to save this as swimming pool render, and we'll save this. And now our model is getting rendered in Lumion. So I hope you will like this, how we will model in Revit, and then you can render it in Revit if you have good graphics card. And so friends, our rendered image is almost ready, and now I'm going to check in our folder, and hope you have liked our this tutorial, and you can do practice of making different shapes of swimming pool and render it with the help of your rendering in Lumion or enscape or your default Revit rendering. And hope you have liked this tutorial.